So today is the big day for Bitcoin ETF approvals. We'll get the answer whether it's a yes or no. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So if we talk about Bitcoin in general, it's sitting at $46,000 with an overall market cap of like 900 billion. And if you check the performance of altcoins during this past 7 days, there has been some downside and some corrections in most of the altcoins, as you can see, which is like 15-20%, which was expected, to be honest, because what will happen is like when Bitcoin reaches like $50,000 plus, and it settles down at a certain price point, then we can see the altcoins pumping a lot. And to be honest, the overall sentiment in the market is quite bullish, to be honest, irrespective of the SEC approval or not. So if we talk about Bitcoin over here and the chart, and if we zoom in the chart, as you can see, yesterday it had reached like close to 48,000 US dollars, and the all-time high was close to $68,000. Now, what had happened for this short spike yesterday was there was one tweet from SEC stating that the Bitcoin ETFs have been approved, and immediately we saw the price of Bitcoin jump from 46 to 48,000 levels. Now, what had happened is like Gary had mentioned that their SEC Twitter account has been compromised and unauthorized tweet was posted. So that tweet was invalid. Now we don't know for sure like it was hacked or not hacked, or whether it was just a part of market manipulation. We are not sure of it. But as of now, SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products. But I'm 99% sure that this will be approved today. There might be few delays here and there, if there are some delays, but today is the deadline, and I think we should get a concrete answer towards it, because most of the exchanges and big players like BlackRock have already started marketing the Bitcoin ETFs and lowering the overall fees as to onboard as many people as possible in Bitcoin ETFs. I mean, it's a good thing because we can see a lot of inflows coming in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like altcoin. But once again, the overall sentiment is completely bullish over here, and we can see this bull run like no other bull run. I think the Bitcoin prices should go above 100,000 with ease during this bull run, because now Bitcoin is becoming scarce and scarce because there are big players now entering this blockchain, and they will like to grab as many Bitcoins and other good coins and tokens as possible. So I think over the long term, over the next couple of years, I mean 2024 and 2025, overall sentiment looks quite bullish, and I think this will mint a lot of millionaires, to be honest. And to be honest, the real bull run hasn't even started yet. We haven't seen retail investors entering blockchain yet. We saw a small percentage entering Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but majority of the retail investors are not here till now. Now, if we talk about the Bitcoin prices, the last time high was 68,000, but if you see this level, there was a sharp parabolic rise. The same thing is gonna happen here, I think so. We can see like 80,000 levels, then there might be some correction 80-90,000 levels. I'm not sure. There may be some ups and downs in between, because that's very common in cryptocurrency. But here, I think here, people who had invested like a couple of years back during the previous bull run will start taking out some profit. So there might be some minor correction, but overall, I think this 3 to 4 months you should look out for the crypto market, because this is where you will tend to make a lot of money. And I personally feel like the top 200 tokens which are actually decent enough should at least do 10x during this bull run. Some might do 15x, some might do 20x, and then if we talk about the small caps, there might be some good tokens that will be like 100x, 1000x. You may never know. There are a lot of good altcoins, to be honest. You just research them properly, and I would advise is like always place a stop limit, because crypto is very uncertain. I mean, there is lot of fluctuation. One day it will be 100,000, the next day it will be 30,000. You may never know. I'm just saying it's a possible scenario in cryptocurrency. So I would always advise is to always put a stop loss in order to like not get wrecked in this market. Because I've already put stop losses, not on MEX as of now, but on other exchanges. I've already put some stop losses. Now, if we talk about the overall market cap, it's like 1.71 trillion. I think hopefully before April we should see 3 trillion plus. I think so. Like the last bull market, because as more and more funds keep coming to Bitcoin, then we can expect a huge pump overall. Now, if we talk about the Tether market cap, recently there was an article that 2 billion Tether was printed. So, so this is also one of the bullish sentiment, because if the Tether market value keeps increasing, the overall cryptocurrency is bullish. Now, what happens is like if the Tether market cap falls, then you should be concerned about your investment, because then this can go either ways. But overall, right now is the right time to make money, and don't forget to load up your altcoin bags, because I personally feel like this is going to be insane. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research before investing into crypto or assets. And if you have a low risk appetite towards cryptocurrency, then and if you still want to go ahead and invest, then I would suggest is only go for some blue chip coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Cardano. So, to be honest, I'm not sure about Solana, because I think it has a unlimited supply, and I don't know. I mean, it can reach like 150 to 200 dollars max, I think, because there are some problems. The chain can halt anytime if there is lot of demand and lot of pump incoming in Solana. And then if we talk about the meme coins, there have been certain meme coins that have done exceptionally well. Like if we talk about Bonk, then we have Pepe, then there is Snake on Cardano. Then recently there is Myro that is doing good, which is sitting like around, I think so, 60, 70 million market cap. To be honest, I also FOMOed in to buy some of the meme coins, although that's not a major part of my portfolio. Uh, and we can see the other chains doing exceptionally well. Like Ethereum is already doing decent enough. We are yet to see the uh, Ethereum ETF approvals yet, but that would be in the near future. We have already seen Solana doing pretty decent enough. Cardano, it was like at 0.28 to zero point 0.3 levels like a few months back, and now it's like it had gone to 0.64. Now it's like a slight correction of 16%. But I personally feel like Cardano should also rise. I mean, minimum level we can see during the peak of the bull run should be $3, if not then more, like anywhere between 5 to 7. Hopefully, there are some other predicting like it will go $10, $26, $36. I mean, no one can predict it correctly, to be honest, because no one knows where the market will go. Then Polkadot has done decent right now. Polygon had gone above $1. Then again, there was a correction of like 18% or more. And then we can see ICP doing good. And overall, the Cosmos ecosystem has been doing pretty good. Like there has been a lot of coins and tokens on Cosmos ecosystem that have done exceptionally well. Like we saw major pumps happening. Like if we talk about Akash network, it has recently done a pump, Now for some reason it's loading slow on my computer. So Akash Network, then there is Celestia, then there is Osmosis. They have done like exceptionally well. Look at the market cap. It's like 700 million market cap, which is like pretty decent enough for a newly launched token, to be honest. I mean, it has been since 2020, but now it has started to get the momentum. If we talk about Celestia, these are some of the new tokens over here. Now, we really don't know what's pumping Cosmos, but to be honest, I've used Cosmos ecosystem and it's wonderful. Low gas fees, pretty fast, and with lot of airdrops. So, if you want to like have airdrops on Cosmos, don't forget to stake some of these tokens on maybe Leaf Wallet or Kepler Wallet. So, as you can see, this has from November till date, it has like 6x in return, and there are a lot of chains. I mean, everyone is doing pretty good. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu has lost its momentum. I'm not sure whether this will recover or not. And Injective has done pretty good, which is on Cosmos. Then this is basically a centralized exchange token over here. Stacks, I'm a bit bullish. Maybe this can like 10x. I think so. Kaspa has also lost his momentum. Then ARB I'm bullish on. Let me like add it to watch list, to be honest. Then there are a lot of coins and tokens in top 100, and to be honest, even in top 3000 there are good options. If you go for a very small cap, there is a high chance that you will get rugged. Although those are the actual tokens where you can make a lot of money. Like if you want to invest in such tokens, then do proper research, due diligence, and put in only a small amount just to like ride the wave. If it goes high, it goes high. If not, then you lost only a tiny part of it. But major portfolio allocation would be like in top 100, and mostly would be in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is all for today's video, and hopefully we get to see SEC approvals today, and Bitcoin will like 60k maybe in like couple of days, hopefully. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it, and once again don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you.